In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the prompt is too long error in Claude Code. When working with Claude Code, it's common to provide large amounts of information such as source code, project documentation, error logs, requirements, and detailed instructions. While this can help Claude understand your project, there is a limit to how much information can be processed at once. When that limit is exceeded, you may encounter a prompt is too long error, which prevents Claude from processing the request and can interrupt your workflow, especially during larger development projects. This issue often occurs when users paste entire code bases, extremely large files, lengthy conversation histories, or multiple tasks into a single prompt. The good news is that the error is usually easy to fix by organizing information more efficiently and reducing unnecessary context. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of practical methods to avoid prompt length limits and keep your Claude Code workflow running smoothly. So, let's get started. The first method is to reduce the amount of information included in the prompt. Instead of sharing an entire project, provide only the specific files, functions, or code sections related to the task you're working on. For example, if you're debugging an issue, include only the relevant code and error messages rather than the entire application. Keeping prompts focused makes them easier for Claude to process and often produces better results. If your request still contains too much information, break the task into smaller parts. Rather than asking Claude to analyze everything at once, divide the work into separate conversations or stages. You can handle research, debugging, code review, and implementation in individual prompts. This approach not only avoids prompt length errors, but also improves clarity and response quality. In most situations, these simple methods will solve the problem. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, remove unnecessary information and include only the content relevant to the current task. Second, avoid pasting entire projects when only a small section is needed. And third, divide large requests into smaller prompts that Claude can process more effectively. Remember that larger prompts are not always better. Providing focused and relevant information often leads to more accurate and useful responses. Managing prompt size efficiently can help prevent errors, improve performance, and make complex projects easier to work on. It's also a good practice to summarize completed work instead of repeatedly including the same information in every prompt. By keeping requests organized and concise, you can make better use of Claude Code and maintain a smoother development workflow. A few simple adjustments to how you structure prompts can save time and eliminate many common context-related issues. And that's how to fix the prompt is too long error in Claude Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.